From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
If 2 log 1 minus root x over root x base x equals 0, what's the value of x? This is very simple, and what you want to do first is to bring this to the power of this log. So we know that this is log 1 minus root x over root x to power 2 base x equals 0. You know we can convert logarithm to indices, and how we do that is this base to this power must give us this. So 1 minus root x over root x, we are guaranteed will give us x to power 0, and anything to power 0 is 1, and this is 1 minus root x over root x all square is 1. You can take square of both sides, square root of both sides, give us 1 minus root x over root x. Square root of 1 is 1. If I multiply this, I have 1 minus root x equals root x. Take this to the right hand side, I have 1 because root s plus root s is 2 root x. I can divide both sides by 2, so that my root x is 1 over 2. But what I'm looking for is x, not root x. So I take square of both sides to get my x as 1 over 2 square is 1 over 4. And that is B.